Like making a little fire?
No.
Next time we bring a little cooker and you can see how much better the little cooker is than making a little fire.
What if the tray was better?
Yeah, if the tray was deeper and bigger, it'd have been easier. That's why those with coals on it, that we saw in the shop, that's better. But when you put the food on the meshing, it burns you a little burnt bits on it and you won't eat it then, so it's no good, is it? So we need a little cooker and it can boil pasta or something, or soup. That'd be better.
Yeah, maybe.
So we'll try that next time. Next 2 times we're on holiday, and then after your holiday we'll try that.